students, and welcome to your first value education class. This is teacher Roselle. Some of you all have met me, and we will start today with a very simple topic that you all have to understand, especially during the lockdown, because this time is very crucial for us all. So I hope you all understand and watch this video carefully. Let's go on with it.
Once there was a boy named Keith. He did not like living in a big family. For him, living in a big family was a huge headache. He was never alone and felt bothered by everyone. One day, his family had to attend a wedding in the nearby town. Keith was not so interested. I have lots of work to complete, and tomorrow is my football practice that I cannot miss at any cost. At first, Mom and Dad did not want to leave Keith alone at home. But since he insisted a lot, his family decided it was best to leave him alone. Keith was finally alone at home. He wanted to enjoy the day with his friends. He called up his friends to come to his house, but no one was available. An hour later, his best friend Jake stopped by. The two of them decided to get a pizza. They got their bicycles and began racing with each other. Unfortunately, on the way, Keith and Jake met with an accident. He fainted and on waking up, found himself in the hospital with a fractured leg. Jake called Keith's parents. The doctor let Keith go and he was taken back to his house. Dad was angry at him for lying. Mom, however, convinced Dad not to scream at him. Soon, Keith began to see a different side of his family. His dad bought him magazines, books, and games to keep him busy. His mom cooked for him all his favorite dishes and made sure he took his medicines on time. His sister gave him massages whenever he was in pain, while his grandparents told him stories of all the mischief they had done when he was their age. His cousins played games with them whenever he felt bored, and his youngest brother brought him books from school to keep him updated. He started feeling happier in his environment. Keith felt happy to be part of the family. What would I have done without them? They have helped me heal back, and I just cannot imagine how I would have gone through this pain alone. Their support did not let me feel like a handicap. I'm so sorry, Grandpa, for lying. But this accident showed me the real meaning of a big, happy family. He apologized to his dad too for lying. It's okay if you have learned your lesson. I forgive you. Since that accident, Keith no more complained about living in a big family. So what did Keith's story teach you today? Was the decision of not going to the family function a good one? What was the result of him not going for the family function? Yes, he fell down and he broke his leg. He fractured his leg. He landed up in the hospital. And then later he repented for not going for the family function. But even though he did not go for his family function, Keith's big family was there to help him and keep him happy during his difficult time. His mother cooked him his favorite food, his father brought him books, his sister massaged his head, his grandparents told him stories, his cousin played with him when he was bored, his youngest brother brought him books so that he remained updated about school. Finally, Keith felt happy to be part of his big family. he realized how blessed he was to be part of such a big family where he did not have to worry about anything in his difficult time. So he apologized and understood the importance of having a family. What do you think is the moral of the story? A family, no matter how big or small, will always be there for you, no matter what. So love your family. We should know that however big our family is or however small our family is, we need to learn to love them, respect them, and care for them. Because in our troubled time, in our difficult time, our family will always be there for us. They will never give up on us, and they will always treat us like their own. So don't forget to go and give every member of your family a big tight hug today. Thank you.